This video contains our performance task. This is the product made by our group using only ingredients from nature.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Aquatic plant used as a diuretic and digestive tonic as well as in the treatment of diarrhea, dysentery, dyspepsia, and urinary ailments.
Ikaw ba ay namangati? Masakit ang tiyan, masakit ang ulo, maaari mo nang gamitin ito, Basil Camphor.
The main purpose of our product, which is Basil Camphor, is to help feel relief and comfortable if you're experiencing different discomfort like headache, itching, and redness of your skin. That's why we chose to make this traditional ointment. Not just promote using and buying this kind of all-natural product, but as well as promoting this product in an affordable price.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Basil Camphor ay hindi dapat gamitin gamot o panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?